What's going on, guys? So today I wanted to take you thrifting with me. I'm gonna try it out. I gotta drop my packages off at the post office, and then I'm gonna take you thrifting. Hopefully we'll find something. All right, let's go. My packages. So I just got back and I just wanted to do a haul with you of everything that I picked up today. I did pick up this Mickey. This is by designer Jeffrey Brown. Anything that's by a designer that's collabing. This is a Uniqlo Jeffrey Brown Disney collab. It's brand new with tags. I think it retailed for like $45. This brand is a size large, and I just love anything that's Mickey. I did get this Athleta like pullover sweater, size small. Just like the details of it. This is a vintage, like, it feels like silk, but it's not. It's I think it's rayon. It is a 2X, and that's a big reason why I got it. I need bigger sizes in my vintage Poshmark closet. And the wallpaper print is really in right now for the spring. So this is like an all-over big wallpaper print. So that is another reason why I did get it. I thought this was really cute. I believe it's from the 70s, just from this tag. It's 100% acrylic. It does have this detail here, and these are just a decoration, the buttons. It's like a mauve-y pink color. I love the color. It's a size medium. I'll have to take measurements. I really like this jacket. It's like a greenish color, like a jewel tone. It's reversible, so I thought that was cool. It is a vintage jacket. It snaps down. I love like the horse bit detail here. Reminds me of Gucci. Tag's right here. Here's the tag. It says here it's a size small. So it's like velour velvet on the one side, and then it's reversible, so the other side is just like a waterproof mesh detail. So I thought that was really cool. I picked that up. I saw this, and I couldn't find any comps on it. It's pretty recent. It's to spring, summer 2019. It's a Zara, and then that's the designer name. It's like a collab. It's a size medium. I'll have to do more research on this, but I thought it was really cool. It's like an oversized sweatshirt. And I did pick up this like houndstooth tweed, like oversized collar jacket. Here's the label. And it's like double-breasted. These are the keywords that I'll use for this. Here's the inside tag. Doesn't say what size it is, so I'll take measurements. But it's like an oversized like blazer coat, it reminds me of. Has the pockets. And I got 3 accessories. I got this mini leather vintage Coach bag. Thought that was really cute. It's in pretty good condition. It's a twist lock. It's really hard to get a photo of the inside label, but it says Coach. I'll have to do more research on what it is, but it's really tiny. So I got that. I picked up this vintage cat sunflower hat. Here's the label. It says it's made in New York, made in the USA. Ginger proper of 2 blonder. Oh, I thought it was cool. Anything that's sunflowers and cats is really popular, and this is a vintage hat, so thought that would be good for this summer. And then this is an oversized like belt that you would put like over a dress, I feel like, and it has like the gold and the pearl details, which is really cool. It velcros. There's the label. I did find another belt that was like this, but I like this one better. I just think this would look really good with one of those vintage dresses. So that's everything I got on my thrift trip today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helped me out. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more videos. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.